Welcome to this week's episode of Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck weekly program that focuses on upfitting. I am Wayne Parham, one of the editors at Work Truck. Delivery fleet drivers know what it's like to be in and out of the cargo area of a van all day. Of course, there are slip and fall considerations, but adding a folding loading ramp can mitigate those risks, make unloading easier, and help keep drivers happier. However, it is no longer just delivery fleets that can benefit from loading ramps. The cargo van segment has expanded to include fleet technicians, service professionals, electricians, DJs, caterers, and numerous other occupational roles where workers must transport the tools of their trade or supplies. These workers also face multiple van entries and exits throughout the day. Again, a folding cargo ramp can help ease their task. Earlier this year, I spoke with a team at Fial Ramp. Fial, a Sweden-based leader in producing aluminum ramps, is actually spelled F-E-A-L, one word. But actually there is a backstory to the company name. Well, that is if you remember learning about the table of periodic elements back in high school. Fe is for iron, and Al is for aluminum. Iron is a nod to the history of the region where the company is located, and aluminum is the future of the company. Later, I ran into them at Work Truck Week where they had a demonstration of their lightweight ramp. I saw firsthand how convenient and easy to use ramps can be. When considering the purchase of loading ramps for cargo vans, what key factors should you take into account? Well, I have the answer. A while back, I worked with Fial on a Work Truck article, 5 things to know when selecting cargo van loading ramps. Today, I want to share their tips and insights. Here's what you need to know. Match load capacity to your needs. Ensuring your ramp meets the right load capacity is essential for both safety and efficiency. Too low a capacity can create hazardous situations, while over-engineering can become unnecessarily costly. For peace of mind, select a ramp that comfortably fits your cargo requirements. Consider installation and transfer options. For fleet operations, flexibility is key. Ramps with quick release options or no-drill installation make it easier to transfer ramps between vehicles, which could be ideal for rental or rotating fleets. This not only improves fleet efficiency, but also reduces downtime during maintenance. Prioritize safety with all weather surfaces. Ramps are used rain or shine, so choosing a non-slip surface that holds up in wet, snowy, or muddy conditions is crucial. Mesh surfaces or textured designs offer a reliable grip, reducing the risk of slips and keeping your workforce safe. Optimize fleet efficiency. In fleet vehicles, every inch counts. Compact ramp designs save space and keep loading areas clear for cargo. Look for ramps that fold or store in minimal space to maximize the functionality of your vehicle storage. Ensure versatility for various loading scenarios. A versatile ramp can handle multiple types of jobs. Ramps that connect to loading docks or bridge the gap between vehicles bring added value. This makes them suitable for a range of fleet applications and reduces the need for additional equipment. Now you're prepared with all you need to consider when buying cargo van deployable ramps. And if you want to know a little more about Fial or this topic, follow the link that accompanies this episode. Be sure to come back next week to see what the latest topic, product, or tip will be on Work Truck's Upfit My Work Truck. Thank you.